Super Kids TV.
Questions and answers.
Wow!
Hi, can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English very well. How are you? I am good. Thank you. What's your name? My name is Ali. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. Where do you live? I live in Lahore. And how old are you? I am 5 years old. Where were you born? I born in Lahore. And what's your nationality? I am Pakistani. How many siblings do you have? I have no siblings. It's just me. Do you prefer cats or dogs? Cat, mew mew. What time did you wake up today? I woke up with the sun came up. By the way, I love your outfit. Where did you get it from? Thank you. My mom got it for me. Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more.